Understanding the structure of COBOL programs is an essential step when starting out. In our training, we take the time to explain these concepts in a simple way, with clear videos and animations. But our courses are not limited to video. You can also read the content, take advantage of your browser's automatic translation, and even use screen reading. Now, let's take a look at some explanations.
COBOL Code Overview. With the origin of punch card instructions, instructions do not start in the first position, it is in the 12th position that a line of code begins. Let's start with the program to say welcome. In COBOL, lines of code do not start at the first column as in many modern languages, but from column 12. This choice comes from the time of punched cards, which were used as a physical medium to enter programs. Columns 1 to 6 were reserved for sequence numbers, to sort the cards in case of shuffling. Column 7 indicated whether the row was a comment or a continuation, and columns 8 to 11 formed area A, used for specific statements such as divisions or paragraphs. Thus, the common COBOL instructions for area B started from column 12, which set a structure rule that is still respected today, even though punch cards have disappeared. Understanding the origins of punch cards. Explanation of positioning. With the origin of punched card instructions, the instructions do not start in the first position, it is in the 12th position that a line of code begins. Let's start with the program to say welcome. Positions 1 to 11, reserved area, numbering, comments, indicators. Position 12, commencement of investigation. Display instruction. Welcome to Pacta Cobol, string to display. Did you know? This positioning constraint comes from the days of IBM punch cards, where each column had a specific function. Although we no longer use punch cards today, COBOL has retained this structure to maintain compatibility. History of punched cards. With the origin of punched card instructions, the instructions do not start in the first position, it is in the 12th position that a line of code begins. Let's start with the program to say welcome. Visualization of positioning. Explanation. Positions 1 to 11 are reserved, flashing space. The code starts at position 12. This convention comes from the time of punched cards.